My goal in this video is to show you how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing in 2025 and beyond. And for those who don't know, affiliate marketing is a business model that pays you to promote other people's products. And you get paid anywhere from 10% to 90% of every sale you make, which is sometimes known as commission. So to put things into perspective, I used this exact method when I started affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. This method involves a 3-step process to setting up a passive income system with affiliate marketing: research, content, and traffic. And as simple as this looks, I've seen people do this the wrong way, or they simply just overcomplicate it and they end up wasting a lot of time and not making any money. So I'm going to show you how to implement each of these steps in this video. You see, back in the days, affiliates, including myself, used to use Google Trends for product research as it was the best analytics tool at the time. It basically shows you a general overview of how a product is performing. However, there's a huge flaw with this, as it doesn't tell you if people are actually purchasing that product or not, which leaves you guessing or just doing a trial and error. And at the end of the day, you just have to hope for the best. And the good thing is you don't have to guess anymore, as Fastmon's analytic tool is what many affiliates, including myself, are now using to do market research. So for those who don't know, Fastmon's is a TikTok analytics tool which basically lets you see what products are making a lot of sales on TikTok. And this also helps you to spy on your competitors. So basically giving you ideas of what you need to be doing on TikTok if you are serious about making money on the platform. It works for both content creators and marketers. So you want to go over to fastmon's.com or click on the link in the description and it's going to bring you to the website. As you can see here, they have a free trial which you can basically use to test their platform. All you just simply need to do is to click on the start trial button. You can sign up for an account by using your Google or your TikTok account, or you can basically type in your email address right here. So once you create your account, your dashboard should look like this. And now, as you can see with Fastmon's analytics tool, you can see what products people are currently making money with on TikTok Live right now. And also you can find top products that are currently making massive sales on TikTok, and also TikTok shops that are making the most money on TikTok right now. And also you can find creators and influencers using this tool. And also, as you can see here, you can use their AI tool to create amazing videos which you can use to promote products on TikTok. And now once you come over to this page, it's going to automatically show you the top products that are performing in United States. However, you can come over here and you can go for any other country of your choice. All right. And to do your market research, all you simply need to do is to come over to product. So once you come over here, you want to click on product search. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And the first thing you want to do is to pick your niche. Okay. So you want to click on this expand button. And here you are going to see various niches. You can find products that are currently making a lot of sales on TikTok. All right, so I'm going to go with the health and fitness category as an example. And now if you scroll down here, you are going to see top products that are currently selling in this category. And so you know a lot of these products accept affiliates. And now you're going to see how much commission you're going to get when you promote these products. Okay, you can see the first product right here, Yaba Magic. As you can see, in the last 7 days, this product has sold over 25,000 units, and you can see how much it has generated right here. Over $900,000 in 7 days. So if I take this product here as an example, which is basically promoting this supplement, nitric oxide booster. Okay, so I'm going to click on the product. So once you do that, it's going to give you a general overview of the performance of this product on TikTok. As you can see the number of sales made from affiliates promoting these products. All right. So if you scroll down, you can even see more details about this product. Okay. So if you go back, like I showed you earlier, you're going to see the commission affiliates are getting paid to promote this product. So let's say, for instance, you want a higher commission. So you can basically go over to other affiliate network. You can use digistore24.com or you can use clickbank.com. These are some of the best affiliate networks out there you can use to find high commission products. Okay. So I'm going to take Digistore24 as an example, and all you just need to do is to type in nitric oxide. Okay. So once you do that, you can find other products on this platform you can promote instead. So you can see this one here is going to pay you 60% commission, and as you can see, you're going to get paid $84 for every sale you make. Okay. And also, before you promote any of the products on Digistore24, you want to look at the percentage of visitors that's purchased this product. As you can see here, 14% of people who come over to the landing page of this product tend to make a purchase. So now that we found a product, the next step is to create content, and you don't even have to do it yourself. You can use Fastmoney to see the type of videos your competitors are currently using to make sales on TikTok. So I'm going to take this nitric oxide booster product as an example again, right? So all we just simply need to do here is to simply scroll down to where it says related videos, and here you're going to see the type of videos people are currently using to promote this product on TikTok, and they are making a lot of money. So you have two options here. You can basically go for sponsored videos, which is basically videos that are being used to run ads, all right? Or you can use non-sponsored videos. So basically, if I click on sponsored videos, as you can see here, it's going to have this ads icon, which means these people are currently running ads to this video. So I'm going to take this video here as an example. As you can see, this video has sold 800 units in 28 days, which tells you this ad is converting like crazy. And also, as you can see, it has generated $30,000 in 1 month. So if I click on the video, and if you scroll down here, you're going to see the overview of the video. So if you go back, you want to click on this script button. And so you know, this is Fastmoney's AI tool that basically lets you see the script of this video, which gives you idea of how you can also script your own video. So you want to click on it. So as you can see right here, it has generated the script of this video, and also you can use their AI tool to rewrite this script and make it even better. And also you can see here, it's also going to show a preview of the video. And once you show it, you can also get idea of how to create your own videos, since you already know your competitors are making money with this type of videos. All right. So you can click on download button here to download the video. So let's assume you don't want to spend money on ads right now. All you just simply need to do is to go back here, and instead of selecting sponsored video, you want to go for not sponsored. All right. So this basically shows you organic videos that are currently making sales from this product without running ads. And you can see in 28 days, this page on TikTok using this video right here generated over 2,000 sales from this video. And you can see how much they made with free traffic. So that is one of the cool features of Fastmoney. All you just need to do is to click on the video. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to that video. You're going to see the analytics of the video, and all you just simply need to do is to click on script right here, and you want to then click on this script. And as you can see right here, the person have the product in their hand right here without running any paid ads. So this gives you an idea of how you can also promote the product without having to run paid ads. So as you can see here, you can write their script, or you can use the exact script they use. And also you can download the video to your device if you want to do that. This is really up to you. So this basically shows you the tags you want to be using to promote this product, so get instant traffic from TikTok to your affiliate links right away. So for those who are serious about making passive income with TikTok, all you just simply need to do is to come over to the pricing section. And as you can see here, they have very affordable plans starting from $29 for the first month up to $159, as you can see right here. So I highly recommend this tool. So this is a minor investment compared to how much you're going to make once you start generating sales from TikTok.